Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again with another talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand. Make sure to click the link in the description to purchase our ebook and digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet. Whenever you're ready to start building passive income and capital gains income, then this digital course is for you. The ebook will teach you exactly what we need to know in order to have the wealthy mindset, the principles, and the business tactics and knowledge that we need in order to build our asset column successfully with our assets that we control 100% with our companies. It's important that we understand control and leverage over ownership. Okay, more important is control than ownership. Poor people like to have ownership. Wealthy people would like to have control. So it's all about controlling debt, getting into good debt, being in good debt, meaning that we're using the debt to invest, to acquire or build an asset that is producing passive income and capital gains income enough to pay for the debt service back, the interest, and all the expenses, and it still leaves us with positive cash flow. So it's all about controlling debt. It's about being in good debt. Debt is leverage. Because money is created with debt, then debt is tax-free. All debt is tax-free. So the ultra wealthy loves to use debt. That's what we encourage everyone here in our community to learn how to use debt. And always live above our means. We never tell anyone to shrink. Always expand our asset column. There's always room to improve. So $1 million per year in passive income, if that's one of our goals, then we need to create at least $2,700 and plus per day on positive cash flow. After all expenses are paid, that needs to be our positive cash flow in order for us to have $1 million per year. And then we need to have a plan for that $1 million. We need to reallocate that into our asset column so that we can recycle that money and imprint more money. And eventually we have all of our money back that we invested initially to acquire and build all of our asset column. And then now we're tapping into infinite return on investment when it's money for nothing. Literally, we're printing money from thin air. So the holy grail is infinite return on investment. That's the holy grail of investing. And that's when we have no money of our own invested in the deal. However, we still control the deal and collect the passive income of any capital gains income, depends on the asset, right? So today we have a title that we're going to be covering, and that is Mastering Objection Handling, Leveraging Systems for Success in Online Endeavors. Today is March 11, Mastering the Art of Acquiring Cash Flow and Assets. Today's golden rule is invest in sound assets that makes us passive income and capital gains income now. In other words, it's not an asset if it's not making us money right now. An asset puts money in our pocket whenever we're not working right now. So let's invest in assets that produce passive income and capital gains income like now. With financial education, we avoid giving our money away to anyone to invest it for us because we have the knowledge. We can actually take action with the money that we have to build our asset column successfully. In the fast-paced world of online business and entrepreneurship, objections are inevitable part of the journey. We are selling a product, offering a service, or pitching an idea. We are bound to encounter resistance and skepticism from potential customers, clients, or collaborators. However, rather than seeing objections as roadblocks, savvy entrepreneurs view them as opportunities to refine their approach and build stronger connections. With the right systems in place, overcoming objections becomes not only manageable, but also a pathway to success. Number 1, understanding common objections. Before addressing objections, it is crucial to understand the most common ones in our industry or niche, whether it is concerns about cost, value, credibility, or competition. Being familiar with typical objections allows us to anticipate them and prepare effective responses. Number 2, developing a systematic approach. Instead of handling objections on an ad hoc basis, develop a systematic approach that streamlines the process. This might include creating objection handling scripts, compiling FAQs or designing automated responses for common concerns. Number 3, active listening and empathy. When faced with objections, practice active listening and empathy. Understand the underlying reasons behind the objection and acknowledge the individual's perspective. Demonstrating empathy builds trust and rapport, making it easier to address concerns effectively. Number 4, providing value-based solutions. Tailor our responses to highlight the value proposition of our product, service, or idea. Focus on addressing the specific needs and pain points of the individual, illustrating how our offering provides tangible solutions and benefits. Number 5, social proof and testimonials. Leverage social proof and testimonials to bolster our credibility and address objections related to trust and reliability. Share testimonials from satisfied customers, case studies highlighting successful outcomes, or endorsements from reputable sources within our industry. Number 6, offering guarantee and risk mitigation. To alleviate concerns about risk, consider offering guarantees or risk mitigation strategies, whether it is money-back guarantee, a free trial period, or a satisfaction guarantee. Providing assurance can instill confidence in potential customers and reduce objections related to uncertainty. Number 7, continuous improvement and feedback loop. 3, objection handling as an ongoing process of continuous improvement. Solicit feedback from customers, analyze objections encountered during sales or interactions, and refine our approach accordingly. By continuously adapting and optimizing our strategies, we can proactively address objections before they arise. Number 8, utilizing technology and automation. Embrace technology and automation tools to streamline objection handling processes. Implement chatbots, email sequences, or CRM systems to address common objections automatically, freeing up time to focus on more personalized interactions and strategic initiatives. Number 9, training and skill development. Invest in training and skill development for ourselves and our team members to enhance objection handling capabilities. Provide resources, workshops, or coaching sessions focused on communication skills, negotiation techniques, and empathy building strategies. Number 10, measuring success and iterating. Finally, measure the effectiveness of our objection handling efforts by tracking key metrics such as conversion rates, customer satisfaction scores, and repeat business. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and iterate on our systems and strategies accordingly. In conclusion, overcoming objections in online endeavors requires a systematic and a strategic approach. By understanding common objections, empathizing with the concerns of individuals, providing value-based solutions, and leveraging technology and continuous improvements processes, entrepreneurs can turn objections into opportunities for growth and success. With the right systems in place, objections become not only manageable challenges, but also catalysts for innovation and improvement in online businesses and endeavors. I hope that you enjoyed today's talk. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section. Click the link in the description again so that you can join our inner circle with one of our digital courses. We have 3 books right now: The 10 New Rules of Money, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, How to Invest in Crypto to Build Wealth, Understanding Bitcoin and Blockchain. You can find them in Amazon, or you can also just click the link and get them from our website, which each book has turned into a digital course where we're adding more assets as we go along. So when you get it today, it's just a great investment, because tomorrow it's not going to be the same price because we're adding more assets. So take advantage of the offer. You're going to need the information inside of these volumes to help you build true wealth fast using the internet. Bringing the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. And the way we can simply overcome objection is by having systems in place. That way we have everything on autopilot, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that inside of our digital courses. So I'll see you inside of our digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. Make sure to subscribe and share the content with your community and start taking action. Bye for now.